Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I want to share a beautiful story that really makes you think about what a home truly is. It's called The Tortoise and the Bird. In a lush, vibrant forest filled with the sounds of rustling leaves and singing insects, there lived a very proud tortoise. He was quite content with his life, especially with his strong, sturdy shell that he carried everywhere. To him, it wasn't just a shell. It was his house, his fortress, his everything. One sunny afternoon, as the tortoise was taking a slow, leisurely stroll, he decided to rest under the shade of a large ancient tree. As he settled down, he looked up into the branches and noticed a bird's nest. It was a simple, woven little thing perched precariously on a limb. The tortoise squinted, examining it with a critical eye. How can anyone possibly live there? He mumbled to himself, shaking his head in disbelief. It looked so fragile, so exposed. Just then, a small, cheerful bird, with feathers the color of the sunset, swooped down from the sky and landed gracefully at the edge of the nest. She chirped a happy tune and began tidying up, fluffing the soft lining inside. The tortoise, feeling rather smug about his own superior dwelling, couldn't resist making a comment. He cleared his throat and called up to the bird in a mocking tone. "What a shabby home you have up there," he said loudly. "It's just a jumble of broken twigs and straw. There's no roof to speak of, and it looks so crude and messy. What a mess!" The tortoise paused for effect, then added, "And the worst part is, you had to build that rickety thing all by yourself. I must say, my house, which is this magnificent shell on my back, is far, far better than your pathetic little nest." He tapped his shell with a claw, making a solid, satisfying sound. The bird stopped her work and looked down at the tortoise. She wasn't offended at all. In fact, she seemed rather amused. She tilted her head and replied with a voice as sweet as honey. "You're right," she chirped. "I know my nest is made of broken sticks and looks a bit shabby to you. It's true, it has no roof, but that's because I love feeling the warmth of the sun and seeing the stars at night. It's open to all the beauty of nature." She puffed out her chest with a little bit of pride. "And yes, I did build it myself, with my own 2 wings and a lot of hard work. And I love it. It's my home." The tortoise was taken aback. He expected the bird to be embarrassed or envious. "Well, I suppose it's fine for a nest," he replied, trying to maintain his superior attitude. "But it's certainly not better than my shell. You must be jealous of my perfect house, though. It's strong, safe, and I can take it anywhere." The bird simply smiled. "Oh, on the contrary," she said happily. "I'm not jealous at all. You see, my home has something yours doesn't. It has space. There's room here for my partner and for our future chicks. When my friends visit, we can all sit together on this branch and sing 'Your Shell.' Well, it can't accommodate anyone other than you, can it?" The tortoise was speechless. He had never thought of it that way. His shell was a house for one. The bird's nest, as simple as it was a home for many. The bird continued, her voice full of warmth. You might have a better house, Mr. Tortoise. It's strong and safe, and that's wonderful for you. But she chirped, looking lovingly at her nest. I have a better home. And with that, she flew off to find more food for her family, leaving the tortoise alone under the tree with a lot to think about. This story really hits home, doesn't it? It's a powerful reminder that a home is so much more than just four walls and a roof, or in the tortoise's case, a shell. It's about the love, the connection, and the memories we share with others. It's about community and family. A house is a structure, but a home is a feeling. So what do you think? What makes a house a home for you? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to read them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories. See you next time.